Gee, that's a tough one. I reckon my favorite place has to be El Cap in Yosemite. I've been there more times than I can remember, and the view at the top is seriously special. Mushroom risotto, hands down. I usually throw in a big block of cheese at the end and it becomes all gooey and melty and seriously unhealthy, but best comfort food. My favorite hobby outside of design would have to be board games. I have this big collection that I force my partner to play all the time, and if anyone wants a game, hit me up.